Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to confirm whether important or all necessary components are installed in Visual Studio for x86 programming or not. And if they are not installed, how one can install them, okay? So we have to write in search Visual Studio installer, okay? We need to installer. This is a file which will normally download once they install it. And see, this installer verify if there is any update available. So it is showing me that yeah, there is an update available. I can update my Visual Studio. But what I want to do, or I want to check those components which are installed here. So I will modify it. And once you modify it, it will show you all those components as checked which are installed. So if you see .NET desktop, okay, this is the one thing that is checked, which means it is installed, and desktop development with C++. I hope you can see that those two components. These are the two components that you must install for x86 programming. So if any of these component is missing or both of these component is missing, that means your Visual Studio cannot uh, perform the debugging or running the code for x86 programming for Microsoft macro assembler. So you need to check them and just install. So for my case, I don't need to do anything. But if you see that these are not checked for you, so just check them. And here you have an option available: install while downloading, or download all and install, whatever suits you. Do and click on the next, and it will be installed. And if you see any other components, and if you are not using those components, so I highly recommend to uninstall those components, because it will make your Visual Studio lighter and your system can run it very efficiently. I hope you understood the purpose of this video tutorial. Still, if you have any query, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.